let's learn the final rule about linking. Linking vowel to vowel. If one word ends in a vowel and the following word begins in a vowel, there is also linking that has to happen. Let me show you what happens in that case. Look at this, see, it. Here's a vowel, E, and here's another vowel, it. In this case, we put a little Y, a little Y sound. So we don't say see it. Listen to this, see it, Y, see it. Don't make that Y too strong. Don't exaggerate it. Don't say see it. Just a little see it. I see it. I see it. Here's the rule. When the vowel requires your lips to be flat, E, for example, the vowel E, or OI, these are diphthongs here, OI, A, I, they all end with that E sound. We're going to do that Y sound. One more time, see it. Let's try some more words. Very interesting. Let's put a little Y in there. Very interesting. Not too strong. Don't say very interesting. Just a little bit. Very interesting. Let's try carry on. Carry on. We all. We all. We all. We all had a good time. May I. Let's put the little Y in there. May I. May I. May I help you? So don't say, may I help you? Say, may I help you? Enjoy it. Let's link it. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. One more. Boy is. Let's link it. Boy is. That boy is tall. That boy is tall. All right. Let's learn what happens when our lips are rounded in the last vowel position. For example, oo, who. In this case, we don't put a little Y in there. We put a little W sound. W. Round your lips. Who is. Who is becomes who is. Also, when we have the sound O, this sound, O. For example, no. We don't say no one. We link it. We put a little W in there and we say no one. Let's practice now some more with the W. 2 hours. Let's put a little W in there and we say 2 hours. One more time. 2 hours. Blue ocean. Put a little W in there. Blue ocean. Do all. Do all. I will do all of it. One more. No answer. Put a little W in there. No answer. All right, let's practice some sentences now. I don't do it very often. I don't do it very often. Why is she so afraid of it? Why is she so afraid of it? I can see inside the open window. I can see inside the open window. This is the only one I know about. This is the only one I know about. Did you see any other ones? Did you see any other ones? Keep in mind, we insert a very little Y and a very little W sound between two vowels.